Custom shapes in Flutter look very amazing, but coding them by hand, not so fun. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design shapes visually with Flutter Shape Maker and instantly get Flutter code you can actually use. Let's get started. So the first step is to go to fluttershapemaker.com, and here you can see the canvas. This is where I'll draw all my drawing. Also at the top you can see a button that says SVG to code, so you can import your SVG file and then it will turn into custom paint code for you. But that's not what we'll be doing today. We'll be drawing our custom shapes with the Flutter Shape Maker. Now I'm through drawing my shape, but as you can see it needs some adjustments. It's a bit bent, so I'll adjust the lines, give it rounded edges, and then fill it with color. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click the get code button at the top. You copy the widget code, copy the custom painter code, and then paste it in your Flutter code. And after pasting, you just adjust the width as necessary, and then you run it. You see your custom shape in your Flutter app. And that's how easy it is to create custom shapes in Flutter with Shape Maker. No messy maths, no trial and error. Just draw, copy, paste, and you're done. If you found this helpful, hit like for more Flutter devs to discover it, and subscribe if you want more Flutter tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.